Do you ever get completely stuck trying to turn a long webinar, podcast, or Zoom recording into those bite-sized clips that actually perform on social media? It used to take me hours of tedious work just to clip, reformat, and add captions to my content, but today I want to show you a simple way to stop sweating the small stuff and actually start growing your channel. Let me introduce you to Vizard, a tool that turns long-form footage into scroll-stopping clips with almost no drama. First, simply head to their website and take a moment to look around. Vizard automatically finds the best, most engaging moments from your long-form video content. It doesn't matter if it's a recorded live stream, a keynote speech, or even a simple voice memo. I personally grabbed a long video about podcasting trends and just pasted the URL into the platform. I hit Analyze, chose the AI Clipper option, and let the software scan the entire episode. Then I walked away to make a cup of coffee, and when I returned, it had already surfaced a handful of perfect moments. The AI handled the transcription, labeled the topics, and suggested timestamps that actually made sense. You can pick any suggested clip and open it right inside the floating studio editor. It feels like professional editing, but it removes all the complicated pain points. If you want to trim the clip, just highlight the words in the transcript you want to keep or remove. It is perfect for creators who think in phrases and sound bites rather than complex time codes. You can also add headlines, hooks, or lower thirds to grab attention in the first 2 seconds. Want to drop in a B-roll or an extra image to reinforce your point? It is super easy. Saving a template is a total lifesaver if you want your brand to look consistent every time. Another thing I love is that content management is actually baked right into the workflow. The auto schedule feature means you do not have to babysit your posting times throughout the day. Just set how often you want your content to go out and it queues the posts for you automatically. Compare that with other tools that only clip video but leave all the scheduling to you. If you need professional level color grading, this might not be your primary lane, but for quick clips, it is a killer solution. I took a clip about podcasting and cleaned it up in just 5 minutes. I trimmed the intro, added my brand logo, and adjusted the layout for vertical screens. I even added a small waveform visual to help viewers see the audio activity while watching. Here is a quick example of the transcript from that clip I just finished. If you are thinking about launching a podcast this year, remember that audiences are hungry for fresh voices. You do not need a perfect setup to begin. Just start with your topic and who you are talking to. Follow a clear framework for your format and tech to keep things simple and avoid paralysis. That type of content is exactly what performs well because it is clear, useful, and easy to digest. And this is where the auto scheduling really helps you scale your content production. You can create a batch of clips and have them drip out across the whole month. When you compare this to other platforms that charge enterprise rates for these features, the value is clear. The editing feels very human-friendly because you are not forced into awkward, rigid presets. Want to test 2 different hooks to see which one performs better? You can do that. I created 5 different clips from that one podcast episode and spaced them out. After a couple of days, the analytics showed me which clips were driving the most engagement. If you are a creator who hates the manual labor of posting, this will save you hours every single week. If you manage clients or multiple social channels, the templating system keeps everything consistent. All right, that is the quick tour of how to streamline your workflow. Go to Vizard AI. Drop your video link in and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. You will be surprised by how much content you can produce without burning yourself out. Drop any questions in the comments below and I will show you how I would clip your specific videos. I am happy to help you get started, so see you in the comments and happy clipping.